Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I want to share with you guys part of my business. Today we are cleaning an apartment. We're doing a move out cleaning, and I thought it would be nice to share with you guys how we do it, and then the type of job we do. So I'll be sharing with you guys this process, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. It's just a random cleaning video that we're gonna be doing. For those that don't know me, my name is Luz, and I own a cleaning business. And today you're gonna be part of my team because we're gonna be cleaning an apartment. So I'll be sharing with you guys all those tips, and I hope you guys like it. So let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna be cleaning this fridge. Now we're gonna be cleaning this little kitchen. And then we're gonna clean a small bathroom. And I'm very impressed because this apartment is really clean. I usually see the apartments or houses that we clean, and then if they're move outs, the move outs are really bad sometimes because people's been living for there for years, and it gets pretty dirty. So we're gonna do baseboards, walls, doors, blinds, the entire kitchen, and then this little living area, the windows, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna start by taking all this out of the fridge. We're gonna wash them in the sink. Okay, we're gonna make some water with dish soap, hot water and dish soap to scrub the fridge because it's really sticky. Scrub that fridge. We're gonna wipe down all the soap that is in there, and then we're gonna proceed and disinfect that fridge. Okay. Okay guys, so now that we clean the fridge with soap and water, I dry it, and now we're going to disinfect. We need a new clean towel and then a disinfectant. So I'm going to be using this and just go through the fridge again and disinfect. Now I'm gonna be cleaning this oven, and we're gonna try our best. It's not too bad. So we'll see how it ends. I don't know if you guys see the stove, but it's full of, I guess it's greasy. So what we're gonna use is a hot water with soap and a product that I use to remove all the greasy stuff. So we're gonna do that. Okay guys, so we have finished the kitchen, and now we're gonna clean this bathroom, and we're gonna clean the room, and we are pretty much done. We're just gonna clean some of the baseboards, and we're gonna be done. So I'm excited for the end of this video to see the before and after. So stay until the end of the video so you can see how this apartment ends up, okay? Okay, we are going to clean the shower, and it's not too bad. We're gonna get rid of all that too, because it looks really gross there. So let's do it. All this looks really dark black. We're gonna try and leave it really white with this product and a sponge, and we'll see how it ends, okay? I'm going to start cleaning the bedroom, and we're gonna clean the closet, the walls and baseboards, and we're gonna vacuum, and that's it. Okay guys, so we are done with the cleaning. It took us about 4 hours, but it's because we were making the video, so it takes a little bit longer, but we are done, and I'm going to show you guys now the apartment, how it looks. It looks really nice and it smells really good. I think they had a dog and it was that weird smell, but it looks really nice now, and I'm going to show you guys, okay? And also, if you guys want to see the beautiful view, it looks so beautiful outside. It's hot though. A lot of people enjoying the summer, and there's a pool over there. It's really nice. Alright, so we're gonna start with the bedroom. We have cleaned all the baseboards. We cleaned that the window blinds, and then we have done the carpet. I love the carpet, it looks really nice. So we vacuum the carpet, we clean all the baseboards, walls, doors, and then we also clean the bathroom. And then we also toilets, we cleaned the walls, baseboards, and I think this is the one that looks really nice because it was really dirty. Had a lot of I think it was soap built up in the walls, but now it looks really nice. And then on the bottom was like dark, but now it looks really nice. So this is the bathroom. We cleaned that little closet, we sweep, mop, and then now I'll show you guys the kitchen. So that was the fridge, and now it looks like this. We took everything out and we washed everything. This is the fridge. All the floors were swept and mopped. All the cabinets were clean. The oven. The oven looks really nice. And everything else was clean. I forgot to show you guys the vent, but it was full of dust, and now it looks really nice. And then the floor looks so much better. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this type of videos, because if you guys do, well, I do this for a living. I have a cleaning business, so that scares me. Oh my god. Anyways, the window's open, so it's windy outside. Anyways, I do cleaning for a living, so I can do this type of videos more often. And yeah, if you like this type of videos, please subscribe to my channel, because I'll be making more of this type of videos. And please give us a like on the video, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.